Hello everyone. Today we will introduce the cleaning and the disinfection operations of Mindray Ultrasound equipment. The following will take the M9 portable ultrasound system as an example for demonstration. The cleaning and the disinfection process of M9 includes the following 10 steps: probe cleaning, monitor cleaning, control panel cleaning, main unit cleaning, trolley and accessories cleaning, probe disinfection, display disinfection, control panel disinfection, main unit disinfection, trolley and accessories disinfection. Before cleaning and disinfection, please take appropriate level of personal protection. The following will demonstrate the cleaning operation method of M9 portable ultrasound system. Cleaning. Turn off the machine. Unplug the power cord and the cables connecting to peripherals. Disconnect the probe expanding module from the main unit and remove the probes from the PEM. If there is a protective cover on the surface of probe, remove the protective cover. Wipe the probe head with a disposable soft, lint-free cloth or paper towel to remove the cold plant or other visible contaminants on the surface. Then wipe the probe carefully with a soft dry cloth moistened with an appropriate amount of enzyme cleaner or neutral soapy water. Caution: never clean the lens of probe with a brush. Rinse probe softly with a large amount of room temperature distilled water or demineralized water to remove residual dirt or detergents. Rinse for about 30 seconds. Repeat twice, and wipe up the moisture on the probe surface with a disposable soft, lint-free cloth or paper towel. Caution: never dry the probe by heating. Check the probe. If there is any visible contaminants, it is necessary to clean the probe again by following process above until the probe has been cleaned completely. Monitor cleaning. Spray the screen cleaner on a soft, dry cloth to wipe out the screen to remove dust, stain, and grease. Note: air dry naturally after cleaning. Do not dry the display by heating. Do not wipe the display with alcohol, as alcohol will emulsify the display. Control panel cleaning. Wipe the control panel carefully with a soft dry cloth dampened with an appropriate amount of enzyme cleaner or neutral soapy water to remove dust and stubborn stains from the control panel. Caution: never spill liquid into the control panel. After wiping, air dry the control panel or dry with a soft dry cloth. Never dry the control panel by heating. Main unit cleaning. Remove the M9 main unit from the trolley. Wipe the main unit carefully with a soft dry cloth moistened with an appropriate amount of enzyme cleaner or neutral soapy water to remove the dust and the stubborn stains. Caution: never spill liquid into the main unit. Never use a damp cloth to clean the probe sockets and the I/O interface. After wiping, air dry the main unit or dry with a soft dry cloth. Never dry the main unit by heating. Trolley and accessories cleaning. Wipe the trolley, connection cable, and accessory carefully with a soft dry cloth moistened with an appropriate amount of enzyme cleaner or neutral soapy water to remove the dust and the stubborn stains. Caution: never spill liquid into the probe extended module. Never use a damp cloth to clean the probe sockets. After wiping, air dry the trolley and accessories or dry with a soft dry cloth. Never dry the trolley and accessories by heating. That's all for cleaning operations of M9 portable ultrasound system. The following will demonstrate the disinfection operations. There are several commonly used disinfectants. 75% alcohol, 70% isopropanol, special LCD screen disinfectants, quaternary ammonium salt wipes, 2.7% glutaraldehyde, 0.5% dihydrogen peroxide. Special note: during the outbreak of COVID-19, in order to effectively cure the new coronavirus and cut off the virus infection caused by equipment pollution, some parts can be disinfected with 75% alcohol and chlorine as recommended in pneumonitis prevention and control plan for new coronavirus infection agent. Please note that prolonged use will cause irreversible damage to the equipment. For the monitor, control panel, the shell of the main unit, the trolley and accessories, low-level disinfection is sufficient, as there is no direct contact with patients. For the probes, the low-level disinfection, high-level disinfection, or even sterilized operation needs to be carried out according to the contact condition of the probes with the patient's skin or muscle membrane during daily scanning. Low-level disinfection on probe. Wipe the probe with quaternary ammonium wipes. Rinse the probe thoroughly with a large amount of room temperature distilled water or demineralized water to remove the residual disinfectant. Rinse for about 30 seconds. Repeat twice. And wipe the moisture on the probe with a disposable soft lint-free cloth or paper towel. Caution: never dry the probe by heating. High-level probe disinfection. Sterilization. Formulate 0.5% hydrogen peroxide disinfectant with sterile distilled or demineralized water, 0.5% hydrogen peroxide. Immerse the probe in the disinfectant and shake the probe appropriately to remove the air bubbles that may be generated on the probe surface. Soaking for 15 to 20 minutes is a high-level disinfection, and soaking for more than 10 hours is a sterilization operation. Caution: the part below the sheath on the probe handle can be immersed and disinfected. Rinse the probe thoroughly with plenty of room temperature distilled or demineralized water to remove residual disinfectant. Rinse for about 30 seconds. Repeat twice. Dry the probe with a soft, disposable lint-free cloth or paper towel. Caution: never dry the probe by heating. The above are the operations of probe disinfection. In actual application, only one disinfection method needs to be selected according to the situation. The following will demonstrate the disinfection operations of components other than the probes. Monitor disinfection. Wipe the screen with a special screen disinfectant or disinfecting wipes. Caution: air dry naturally after disinfection. Do not dry the display by heating. Do not wipe the display with alcohol, as alcohol will emulsify the display. Control panel disinfection. Damp a suitable amount of 75% alcohol or 70% isopropanol with a soft dry cloth. Wipe the control panel for disinfection. Caution: never spill liquid into the control panel. After wiping, dry with a soft dry cloth or air dry. Never dry the control panel by heating. Main unit disinfection. Damp a suitable amount of 75% alcohol or 70% isopropanol with a soft, dry cloth. Wipe the main unit for disinfection. Caution: Never spill liquid into the main unit. During disinfection, never use wet wipes to wipe the probe socket and I/O interfaces. After wiping, air dry the main unit or dry with a soft dry cloth. Never dry the main unit by heating. Trolley and accessories disinfection. Wipe the trolley and accessories with a soft dry cloth with an appropriate amount of 75% alcohol or 70% isopropanol alcohol for disinfection. Caution: never spill liquid into the probe extended module. Never wipe the probe interface with a wet wipe. After wiping, air dry the trolley and the accessories or dry with a soft dry cloth. Never dry the trolley and accessories by heating. The above are the operations of cleaning and the disinfection for Mindray Ultrasound equipment. Should you get any query, please do not hesitate to contact with Mindray team.